These are the port side cabins. There's one forward and one midship, and I'll show you the forward cabin. As you come down on the port side, there's a Miele washer and dryer, two separate units that are stackable. These are all new and in great condition. Port side forward cabin, very similar to the starboard forward cabin. They have hanging lockers behind the doors, new mattress and linens, and new flat screen TV. Up forward we have a separate head and shower. This is the port side midship cabin. In the past, the captain has used this cabin. There's also two crew cabins forward, accessible from the bow locker. And there's also quite a nice display here that's networked with the rest of the systems on the boat with the new Raymarine electronics set up so the captain can view what's going on with the boat at any time while he's in his cabin. There's also a new flat screen TV here, and then a separate head and shower behind me. We're going to have a look at the forward starboard guest cabin. This is the forward starboard cabin. Counter area here, full set of drawers. There's 4 drawers here underneath the berth, another set of cabinets, full set of hanging lockers and cabinets below. As we go forward in the cabin, once again, new custom mattresses, all new high-end linens, new flat screen TV, there's speakers for Bluetooth connection in the cabins. Nice view through the windows. These are electric blinds. And then I'll show you the forward head and shower area. This is a starboard forward head. You can see the nice custom linens with the Obsession logo on it. All right, let's have a look at the rest of the cabins. To go into the owner's cabin, this pocket door opens up, and this is the largest cabin on the boat. It is starboard aft, separate shower, separate toilet compartment, 2 sinks, large king-size bed, owner's workstation, and then over on this side are all the closets that I'll show you in a minute. This is the owner's head. It is on the starboard aft side of Obsession. You can see it's beautifully laid out. 2 sinks, his and hers. Nice shower compartment. There's shelving in there. It's quite large, separated from the rest of the space. Here's a separate toilet compartment and a privacy door for this space. Storage here. Recent upgrades in the owner's cabin in 2021. Throughout the boat, all new mattresses, very, very high-end custom mattresses, great quality. All new linens throughout the boat. It's got a nice updated look to it. The headboard behind the berth, this is all new upholstery there. It's in excellent shape. And then above here, we also have a new Samsung television. All of the TVs in the boat are new. And this has a lift that's ceiling mounted that comes down. All the blinds on the boat are electrically actuated, and when it's time to watch a movie, the blinds can go down, and so can the television. There's also an Apple computer here. This is the owner's workstation. Some shelving's been added here on the side. And then all of the outlets have been upgraded, so these are all USB-C outlets, and you'll find those throughout the boat. This boat was specifically built with the most storage I've ever seen in an owner's cabin. This is almost a walk-in closet. These are both hanging lockers, all drawers here. Another locker with shelves, more storage down here. Huge linen closets hanging on both sides, full mirror. And on this side, the same thing. 2 hanging lockers, a full set of drawers, and then 2 more cabinets here. There's a little bit of safety gear in here, a fire extinguisher, and some more storage there. And if you wanted to put a place here for your suitcase or something else, you have plenty of space for that as well. Here we are in the salon, beautifully appointed, and really everything you'd need for entertaining, dining, storage. We have a nice breakfast coffee bar set up. And let me show you how these tables work. These tables are on electric pedestals that allow the tables to go up and down. So you can have them at cocktail height or dining table height. And a very clever feature is the tables rotate and open up, and these leaves connect. And the tables can slide in and out to either connect or be used separately. So the salon tables can be raised or lowered independently. These are the controls here in the salon. So we can make one table go down, the other one go up or down as well. And we can set these up to meet each other to make a large dining space or lower cocktail area. The first owner of this boat had grandchildren, and one of the things they like to do is take naps up on this day bed, and it was a nice place for them to hang out with the family, maybe watch television and interact, but in a more relaxed environment. Another one of the new televisions on the boat is here in the salon. This is concealed in a bracket that holds it up in the ceiling when not in use and securely locks it in place when underway. When the TV's all the way down, it can swivel around so it can be viewed from all angles in the salon. And this is also connected to the new satellite television system. The original owner of this boat felt it was important to have enough power access for charging things like cameras, laptops, cell phones, iPads, that sort of thing. Throughout the salon and actually throughout the boat, you have 110 volt outlets here and USB minis. You'll see these throughout the boat. I'll point out the other locations here in the salon. There's another set on that side, one over here, and then another on the other side. All the blinds here in the salon are electrically actuated. So the push of a button, perfect view throughout the salon. I'll show you in detail the forward nav station here in the salon. Here we are at the inside helm station. Here you have controls for the boat. You've got another set of engine controls. This is the Sunreef display system that shows things like tanks, lights, electrical systems. You can turn all the lights on, all of them off on the boat. We can view the power coming into the boat, what's being generated from the shore power, from the generator, battery capacity, bilge functions, all of those are contained here in this display. These are all new Raymarine instruments, and you'll notice there's 2 autopilots. This one is on, this one's a backup. So if you needed to switch to another autopilot, there's a switch underneath the control panel that allows you to switch to the second backup autopilot control. Quite important on long voyages. In the forward area of the salon, we have a very nice coffee bar set up for guests. So you've got an espresso, you've got a grinder, one of these is decaf, the other one's caffeinated. On this side, you have a nice wet bar, great place to set up a breakfast buffet for your guests in the morning in this space. There's loads of storage all the way through these cabinets, all the way along this side. We have a wine cooler and a fridge. And here's an ice maker. Perfect spot for a wet bar. You've got all the key ingredients. Refrigeration, ice maker, wine storage, and a sink. Port side aft is the galley. It's down and easy to access. In the galley, we have a Bosch induction cooktop. It's electric. Also an electric oven. A new Miele dishwasher. Loads of counter space here. There's also a separate entrance to the galley. This is very convenient for loading on provisions, taking out trash, serving on the deck or on the fly bridge, and also allows the crew to come and go through the boat without disturbing the rest of the guests on board. And in the forward section of the galley, there's a Miele microwave, convection oven. We have drawer freezers all the way through here, and 2 fridges side by side with loads of storage capacity.